10 Tips for Beginners to Start Affiliate Marketing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's digital age, affiliate marketing has emerged as a lucrative way for individuals to earn passive income and monetize their online presence. With the right strategies and a solid plan, beginners can dive into the world of affiliate marketing and potentially create a sustainable source of revenue. This video outlines 10 essential tips for beginners to kickstart their affiliate marketing journey successfully. 1. Understand the basics of affiliate marketing. Before delving into affiliate marketing, it's crucial to grasp the fundamental concepts. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services from other companies through unique affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. The key is to choose products or services relevant to your niche and audience. 2. Choose your niche wisely. The process of selecting a niche goes beyond mere preference. It's a strategic decision that can set the tone for your entire affiliate marketing journey. Your chosen niche should harmonize with not just your interests, but also your expertise. Your personal knowledge and passion for the subject will infuse your content with authenticity and depth. Equally important is addressing the needs of your target audience. A successful niche is one that aligns with the challenges, desires, and pain points of your potential customers. Consider conducting thorough market research to uncover gaps and opportunities within your chosen field. This intel will empower you to tailor your content and affiliate offerings to precisely meet the demands of your audience. While passion is essential, profitability is equally vital. Seek niches that demonstrate consistent demand and revenue potential. Evaluate the competition, identify trends, and analyze the market's long-term prospects. A well-researched niche not only enhances your chances of success, but also positions you as a go-to resource within a specific domain. By striking the right balance between your passions, expertise, and market potential, you can set a strong foundation for a prosperous affiliate marketing venture. 3. Research affiliate programs. Scour the internet for reputable affiliate programs related to your chosen niche. Look for programs with a history of prompt payouts, good tracking systems, and high-quality products or services. Popular affiliate platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer a diverse range of products to promote. 4. Know your audience. Understanding your audience is pivotal in affiliate marketing. To truly connect with your target demographic, start by creating detailed buyer personas that provide a comprehensive snapshot of their preferences, motivations, and challenges. These personas will help you delve into their deepest needs, allowing you to craft content that resonates on a personal level. Moreover, gaining insights into your audience's online behavior is essential. Discover where they hang out, which platforms they frequent, and what type of content they consume. This intelligence empowers you to strategically position your affiliate promotions where they're most likely to be noticed and appreciated. By tailoring your content and product recommendations to cater to these specific characteristics, you're not just addressing generic pain points but customizing solutions that resonate deeply. This personalization fosters higher engagement and conversion rates as your audience sees you as a knowledgeable ally addressing their unique concerns. Through this approach, you're not just promoting products. You're providing valuable solutions in a voice your audience trusts. 5. Produce high-quality content. At the heart of every successful affiliate marketing endeavor is high-quality content that captivates, educates, and resonates. Craft content that not only captures attention but also enriches your audience's understanding and experiences. Whether through insightful blog posts, captivating videos, enlightening podcasts, engaging social media posts, or informative email newsletters, your content should stand as a testament to your dedication to adding value. The key to integrating affiliate products seamlessly is authenticity. Rather than pushing products, focus on weaving them into the fabric of your content. Showcase how these offerings solve real problems or enhance your audience's lives. When your recommendations stem from a genuine desire to assist your audience, you transcend mere promotion and establish yourself as a trusted source of solutions, elevating the impact of your affiliate marketing efforts. 6. Disclose your affiliate relationships transparently. Ethics and transparency are crucial in affiliate marketing. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience. This transparency not only builds trust but also ensures compliance with legal regulations. You can include disclosure statements in your content, disclaimers on your website, or captions in your social media posts. 7. Focus on building trust. Trust is the cornerstone upon which successful affiliate marketing is built. Your journey to becoming a reliable authority in your chosen niche begins with a commitment to consistently deliver valuable and accurate information. This information should address your audience's needs, provide solutions, and demonstrate your deep understanding of the subject matter. Rather than chasing quick wins, prioritize cultivating enduring relationships with your audience. View your interactions as opportunities to establish rapport and loyalty that extend far beyond individual transactions. This long-term perspective not only fosters repeat business, but can transform satisfied customers into enthusiastic brand advocates. In an age where skepticism prevails, honesty is your most potent tool. When discussing affiliate products, openly communicate both their benefits and limitations. This forthrightness demonstrates your integrity, enhances your credibility, and paves the way for genuine recommendations. Remember, an authentic endorsement from someone who genuinely values their audience's well-being holds far more sway than a sales pitch. By building trust through these practices, you create a foundation for sustained success in the affiliate marketing landscape. 8. Leverage multiple marketing channels. Diversify your marketing efforts by utilizing various channels. Combine SEO techniques to improve your content's visibility on search engines. Use social media to engage with your audience, and consider paid advertising to boost your reach. The more diverse your marketing strategies, the wider your audience reach. 9. Test and optimize regularly. In the dynamic realm of affiliate marketing, staying stagnant is a recipe for mediocrity. To thrive, embrace a culture of continuous testing and optimization. Monitor the performance metrics of your content meticulously, scrutinizing factors like click-through rates and conversion numbers. These insights provide a roadmap for refining your approach. Tracking clicks and conversions is akin to deciphering a puzzle. It reveals which strategies resonate with your audience and which fall flat. Armed with this knowledge, you can take a scientific approach to refining your methods. Experimentation is your ally. Try different content formats, compelling calls to action, and strategic placements of affiliate links. Remember, optimization is an iterative process. As you gather data and insights, don't hesitate to pivot your strategy. Analyze which tactics yield the most engagement and conversions, and adapt your future campaigns accordingly. By embracing this dynamic approach, you'll not only stay relevant, but also elevate your affiliate marketing game to new heights. 10. Be patient and persistent. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience and persistence. Success may not happen overnight, but with consistent effort and a willingness to learn from your experiences, you can gradually build a solid income stream. Stay updated with industry trends and adapt your strategies as needed. Affiliate marketing presents an exciting opportunity for beginners to generate passive income while sharing their passions and expertise. By understanding the basics, choosing a niche, producing valuable content, and focusing on building trust, beginners can lay a strong foundation for a successful affiliate marketing journey. With time, dedication, and a commitment to learning and improving, affiliate marketing can evolve from a beginner's endeavor to a sustainable source of income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep chasing those digital dreams.